we are at part 2 of setting up Envoy. Here's AJ, and we went ahead and pressed the button that's right here on the Envoy that is next to the cell phone. You see the cell phone there with the green light? We pressed that, the green light came on. That allows us to get into the app. Then we connect to the settings on the phone to connect to any Wi-Fi available. So we connect on Envoy. And then the app comes up. So this is the app. We will set up the address, which if you already started, preserve lot 166. AJ is the installer. Modules, we have 8. That's how many solar panels. Storage for battery, we have 0 because there are no batteries. And then we will set in the address and where it's located. We will now add in the zip code. And we don't have a homeowner yet, so we will stop here and we will press save. Okay, now we will go to the very top of the magnifying glass there and try and find it by preserve. There we go. There's the one we created. We'll click on it. Now we will click on Envoys. And that Envoy that clicks up is 22819. We will see if that's the right number inside on the sticker. And it is the right number. So we click on that. So it's in there now under Envoy. Now we will go to Array. Okay, so the array name, we're gonna name it 180 because it's faced south. That's as far south as you could go, so 180. So we will create the array now. So it's got rows and columns. So we have a layout here. It shows it's 2 rows of 4. So that's 8 panels. So we have the ridge showing here. It shows number 1 panel, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, they're wrote upside down. And then it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we also have the numbers of the stickers that we had done when the roof was started. And they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, on to 8. Okay? So we will create 2 rows and then 4 columns. So that's 2 rows and 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're done with that, okay? Now we go to orientation. These are set at portrait, and it's already set. Otherwise, we would press this button, and then we would flip it to landscape or portrait, but we're gonna keep it at portrait because it is portrait, okay? We go back to orientation. Now we set up the tilt. The tilt is 6 and 12, which we have wrote right here. That's 26 degrees. And then we have 180, which is the azimuth. So he set up 180 for azimuth and 26 tilt. And we go back, then that's all set up. So we go ahead and save that. Okay. Now we will click on the array. Under array, it shows the models there, the modules. We will click on where it says 8 modules. So it has created the 8 modules for us. Now we will start our map. So at the very top of our screen, we are going to make it as the ridge. So when we look at our paper here, we want to make sure that the ridge is located here, and this will be the bottom of the panel. So they are numbered upside down. So we'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will start from the left side and work to the right, and then the right and work to the left. We will now set this up and we will scan. So AJ's got it down at the bottom left corner of the array. So we will tap on that and he will scan the number on the phone with the map for number 1. It's scanned, and then it can move to the next.